Why Dandadan feels just as wild as Chainsaw Man. That's because its creator, Yukinobu Tatsu, used to work as an assistant under Tatsuki Fujimoto, the genius behind Chainsaw Man and Fire Punch. You can literally feel the influence, the chaotic fights, the emotional chaos, the mix of comedy and trauma. But here's the thing. Tatsu took that raw Fujimoto energy and made it his own. He added aliens, spirits, romance, and turned it into something even more unpredictable. So the next time someone says, Dandadan feels like Chainsaw Man, just tell them. It's because it's made by the student of madness himself. Now you know.